If you have forgotten your Google account password or email address, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you through how to recover your Google account using a mobile phone step by step. First, I opened Google on my mobile phone. Then I typed recover Google account in the search bar and tapped on search. Several results appeared on the screen, and I clicked on the first link. A page opened where I saw different options such as forgot password, forgot email address, and recover a deleted account. From these options, I clicked on the link under forgot password that says recover your Google account or Gmail. After that, the Google account recovery page opened. On this page, there was an input field where you can enter the email address or phone number of the account you want to recover. I entered my Google account email address and tapped on next. Then the password page appeared with a password input field. Here you should type the password that you think might be correct or something similar to the password you remember using before. Even if you are not completely sure, you should type the password that comes to your mind. This helps Google verify that the account belongs to you. After typing the password, I tapped on next. Then another page opened where Google informed me that a verification code was sent to my email address. Since I was not logged into that email anywhere, I tapped on try another way. After that, another recovery page opened. On this page, Google asked me to enter another email address where they could contact me. This email address will be used by Google to send a sign-in link after verifying that the account belongs to you. So, I entered another email address that I currently use. Then I tapped on next. Google sent a verification code to that email address. I copied the code from my email and pasted it into the input field. After that, I tapped on next. Then a final page appeared which said that I should check your email within 48 hours. If Google verifies that the account belongs to you, they will send a sign-in link to the email address you provided. After 48 hours, I opened Gmail on the same email account that I had provided to Google. There I saw that I had received a sign-in email from Google. I opened the email and clicked on the sign-in button. After clicking the button, a sign-in success page opened where I saw two options: continue and secure my account. I clicked on secure my account. A new page opened where I was asked to add a recovery phone number and a recovery email address. I entered my recovery phone number and recovery email. This step is very important because if you ever forget your password or email again, it will make account recovery much easier. After entering the information, I clicked on save. And finally, my Google account was successfully signed in again. And that is how you can recover your Google account step by step using your mobile phone. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.